There's always that one person you compare yourself to in your life, whether it's your family, work, and yeah, even in your recovery. And that's the worst. My friend, that has to change. We grew up believing that life should be fair. Everyone moves the same, gets the same results, hits the same, milestones. But life doesn't work that way. And in ambitious recovery, certainly doesn't work that way. I've got 3 boys. I've got a granddaughter with all different needs, struggles. And sometimes they say, Dad, that's not fair. And what's fair for one of them might absolutely crush the other. I can think of a lot of different examples of when I was raising them and before they grew up and are now out of the home, but it's still the same. I see the same thing, especially in treatment or in your recovery. One client needs more structure and the other one needs a little more flexibility, and they throw their hands up and say, that's not fair. And in sober groups, it's the same. They say, why is it's not working for me, but it's working for Sally Sue over there? And that's dangerous because Sally Sue's path is not built for you. We want to match strengths. We want to match winning. We want to match your story. We want to match who you are. And you're going to feel a lot truer. It's going to be sustainable that way because it's you. And most people, they skip this. Comparison, if you want to fix it, you need to learn to celebrate and celebrate genuinely. Celebration breaks the brain. It helps you see the success in other people, and it's going to give you fuel in your path. Your envy is too low. It's too low sometimes. I want you to be able to experience a full recovery. If you're trying to live somebody else's recovery, you'll face the not fair feeling. That part of the work is not good. But you've got to have your heart in a place where envy is not there. Choose peace. Choose to celebrate for other people. Choose that path. I promise you, it is so much better. If we don't talk before Thanksgiving, enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family. Spend those special moments. Make it good. If you feel lonely, reach out. Have a very happy Thanksgiving.